on the little boat. Getting up on a plane now. All right, here we go. Good now. Rock steady too. Look at this. All right. She runs good. We're pretty dry. All right, we're gonna try a turn. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's fun. I wonder if I can sit in the seat. I'm not sitting in the seat. Rock steady. Roxanne, you don't know how to burn on the blue light. That ruined it. Yeah, too much weight in the back. Make some big wakes though. She's running nice. Look at that P string. Uh-oh, now she's dying. And I'm stuck in the middle of the lake. I figured out why it died. Look at that fuel. Let's fix that. All right, that's fixed. Let's see if she runs now. Give it some choke. We are back and we're better than ever. For Christmas is here. We are back. Come on, let's go. Get up on a flying young man. Not by at all. Little private lake, about 10 minutes, 15 minutes from the house. Got some lake access through a back door. Check this out. It's actually a 15 horse, but I put a 9.9 on it. Alright. We'll try to get over to the car here. Look at that water stream right there. That's a good water stream. You know what? I'm gonna start fixing the car because I ain't that good. The idle's too low. But yeah, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good run. There's the car. I gotta get over there. A little paddle scoop. I could do better, but it's hard to do while I'm holding my phone, so you guys saw it here first. The first run. A little hiccup at the gas line, but man, this little thing runs nice. It'll run better if I have some weight up there in the front. That's why I kind of have to try to sit like here in the middle instead of back on the seat. But But overall, I'm happy with it. Have a good day.